In this video, we'll show you how to connect your JBL Quantum 350 gaming headset to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Start by turning on your JBL Quantum 350. Press and hold the power button on the ear cup until you hear the power on tone. The headset will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode, indicated by a voice prompt saying, "Searching for a device." Now, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Look for a device named JBL Quantum 350 in the list of available devices and tap to connect. Once connected, you'll hear a voice prompt confirming the connection. You can now use your JBL Quantum 350 to listen to music, take calls, or play games on your phone. Note: the microphone and inline controls also work for calls and media playback. And that's it! You're all set to use your JBL Quantum 350 with your phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.